Hello everyone. Today let us see how to prepare the yummiest recipe, that is bisibella bath. First of all, I just want to tell you that I am just recording this outside my younger one's school. I just came to pick him up here and I don't have time to record this earlier. And so please excuse me if any vehicle horns or some horns are disturbing you. Please excuse me for this. And so let us go into this recipe. This is the best recipe where all the adults and also kids and all the family members love this recipe, and also you can instantly make this with just 15 minutes of time. You can just prepare it that quick when you're running short of time. So let us see how to prepare this. Firstly, for the mix or the powder, bisibella bath powder, we need 8 to 10 red chilies and 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and 1 tablespoon of cumin and 2 tablespoons of chana dal and urad dal and 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds. So you need to put it in fry it off, and before that you need to take some vegetables, that is potato, lady's finger or okra, carrot, French beans, cauliflower, tindora, tomato, capsicum and green chilies. You also can put some other vegetables of your choice and your favorite vegetables of your family. So you need to add all these chopped vegetables into a bowl. Remember, you need to add the water until all the vegetables are nicely drenched or dipped in the water, or else add 500 ml of water. That will be sufficient. Now add a pinch of salt and pinch of turmeric and give it a nice boil. Put it on the stove on a lower flame. On the other hand, take 1 full cup of rice, 3/4 cup of tur dal and half a cup of masoor dal or red lentil or red gram, So take a cooker and add all the rice and the dals, that is masoor dal and tur dal. Wash it nicely and add 5 cups of water and put it aside. Now here we have taken all the spices. You need to roast it on low flame, and once they turn brown color, add all the red chilies. Do not add red chilies before, they'll turn black. And then give it a nice roast and add freshly grated coconut and put it aside. Let it cool for some time. Now in the cooker add some turmeric and allow the cooker to get 3 whistles. Cook till then, and see our vegetables are nicely boiled. Now after cooling down, you need to add some salt and blend it nicely into fine powder. On the other hand, I have taken lemon size of tamarind. I have added the hot water where I am boiling the vegetables. That water only I have added so that I can get the pulp out of it very quickly. So once your vegetables are boiled for boiled 70% of the vegetables are boiled, that is the time you need to add your bottle gourd. You should not add before, otherwise they'll become into a paste. Now see, the pulp of the tamarind also has come out. So add freshly ground powder of this bisibella bath. I have added 2 tablespoons. You can check the taste, and then you can add if you need more. And then add salt. That will be sufficient for the rice also. So I have added 1.5 tablespoon of salt over here, and then in goes the tamarind pulp or the tamarind puree or the tamarind juice. This also, if you like more, you can add more, otherwise that will be good. That's it. See, after 3 whistles of the rice and the dal, here it is ready. You can mash it if you want, but see, this is well cooked only. So this is soft in nature. So once it is done, see, our vegetables and the powder also is nicely boiled. Now turn off the flame and add all the vegetables and the powdered water into the rice and give it a nice stir. Do not over stir, so that your vegetables will be mashed. So that's it. This will be the consistency. If you have some more water, turn on the flame, but I didn't do this. But if you don't have that consistency, add a little bit of tamarind water. That will do good. Now for the tempering or the tadka, add cumin seeds and mustard seeds and red chilies and fresh curry leaves. That's it. Now just add on to the rice and then serve it hot. See how simple it is. Everything happens one by one at a time. Simultaneously it happens. One hand you can pressure cook the rice, one hand you can boil the vegetables, and on the other hand you can prepare the powder. And once everything is done, you can just add the tamarind pulp, and that's it. Your bisibella bath is ready. This is so healthy and also so delicious. You have all the dal in it. Dal is very rich in protein and all, and then also all the vegetables, carrots and potatoes and tindora and bottle gourd, everything that cools your body and gives you nice energy. So I mean to say, a good health in one bowl. Now the ending, I have just finished it with this ghee. This is nice and delicious. If you add ghee, that adds taste to your bisibella bath. So give it a try and let me know how it turned to you. Bye bye.